Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to find and reset service info. In the beginning, we have to turn on ignition. Don't start the car, only ignition. Now, using those three buttons, scroll up or down until you see service. Okay, as you can see, service is in almost 7,500 kilometers and 85 days. To reset it, press and hold enter button. Unfortunately, I've got indicator about low fuel, so I'm not able to show it to you, but basically you have to press and hold enter button until you see reset, then release the button and then press it and hold again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.